Your Azure subscription includes an Azure Key Vault called KV1 and multiple virtual machines utilizing system-assigned managed identities, with Microsoft Defender for servers and agentless scanning active. Certain virtual machines employ managed disks encrypted via customer-managed keys located in KV1. You notice that these virtual machines are not producing agentless scanning reports within Microsoft Defender for Cloud. How can you enable agentless scanning to successfully evaluate these virtual machines?
The options are: Option A, grant the Key Vault reader role on KV1 to each virtual machine's managed identity. Option B, turn on Microsoft Defender for Key Vault for the subscription. Option C, assign the Key Vault crypto service encryption user role on KV1 to the scanning service. Option D, turn on just-in-time VM access for the impacted virtual machines. Option E, grant the Key Vault secrets user role on KV1 to the scanning service.
This scenario explores the permissions architecture within Azure when integrating security services with encrypted storage resources. Specifically, it focuses on how a background service, like an agentless scanner, interacts with disk data that is protected by an Azure Key Vault using customer-managed keys.
In my view, the correct answer is option C. Assign the Key Vault crypto service encryption user role on KV1 to the scanning service. Agentless scanning requires the ability to perform cryptographic operations to decrypt virtual machine disks. By assigning the scanning service the specific role of Key Vault crypto service encryption user, you provide it with the necessary authorization to interact with the keys in your vault, which is a critical prerequisite for a successful disk scan.
Let us review why the other options do not fit. Option A, the Key Vault reader role, is insufficient because it only allows reading metadata and does not grant the cryptographic permissions needed for decryption. Option B, Microsoft Defender for Key Vault, is designed for monitoring vault activity, not for decrypting disks for scanning. Option D, just-in-time VM access, concerns network connectivity rather than storage. Finally, Option E pertains to secret retrieval, which is not the same as key usage.
A quick exam tip for you. Always identify the specific operation a security service needs to perform. If an automated service must decrypt data, it requires cryptographic permissions, not just read-only access. Distinguishing between secret retrieval roles and cryptographic service roles is essential for managing access control in Azure security configurations.